Today, we are going to work on rug number 2. Hopefully even better than rug number 1, the way it turned out. We're going to take a look at we're doing Toad from Super Mario. So, let's take a look at it. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul, and I'm a beginning rug tufter. So today we're going to take a look at doing the Toad from Super Mario. Hopefully everything goes pretty well for us today. I think it will. We got it all drawn out, as you can see. Everything's all drawn and traced. So we're going to start with the outline and see where it goes from there. One thing I will tell you is, so when I'm doing the tracing, I kind of put notes on what's going to be what color, so this way I have it. Plus also I also have it up on my computer just in case there's anything that I have to, in case something doesn't look right or something like that, so I have something to reference. So it's up on the computer over there. We're going to be tufting over here, and we'll see what it comes out with. All right, so we've done our outlining. Sorry, I don't know where my mind is. We've done our outlining, and now we're gonna go ahead and fill everything in. I did run into a problem down here. Where I had it was too low, so I was running into the bar. So this is kind of hand drawn as best I could, and I don't draw very well. So this area might be a little bit of an issue, but other than that, I think we did a pretty good job with the outlining. So again, now I know with the W, I know this is white, this is red, you know, the blue over here, the yellow. So SK is skin. I don't know what color it was. Maybe beige we'll use as a word for it, but I don't know. So, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to get this colored in. We've got our red loaded up first, or going to load up first, I should say. I've already turned these into cakes. Usually, that's kind of like my break time. I turn into cakes in between colors, so this way it gives me a little bit of a break. So, let's see. So, I did buy these. These are actually, I don't know if you can see it or not. We'll see. Part of a hair extension kit, because the ones that came with the Claw Labs gun are very thin. So, someone suggested that I use these, and they've worked pretty well so far. So, alrighty, and I'm just listening to stuff while I'm doing this, it entertains me while I'm doing this. I can still pay attention. One thing you'll notice too, if you can see it, you should be able to. The first rug I did, there was a lot of garbage just hanging out, and I tried to pull it out. But now I've learned that pressure. So I've learned that knowing my pressure, my best pressure for the Claw Labs, is going to help, because that's what's keeping everything more high and tight, I guess you could say, would be a good explanation for it. I went over the tongue twice because I want to carve that out a little bit more. So I just want to test and see if doing it thicker will help make carving a little bit easier. I'm covered in yarn. I think that's it for the red. I think. I made some errors on the black over here, so I'm just trying to pull some of those out a little bit, make it easier. So this way there's not a whole bunch of black that I gotta go pull out after the fact. So the red tongue is done. The tops of the mushroom head are done. Let's fill in this hole right here. All right, I think we're good. I mean, do we want to fill in these little holes? I guess we could. It's not going to hurt. I got plenty of yarn. I guess it would make it look more full. I don't know. And I know this is not required, but I just want to see how it looks if I do it. Again, this whole thing that we're doing right now at the start, these beginning videos are learning to tuft and learning from our mistakes and learning from different things that we're going to try and see how things work out. So
1 hour later.
All right, we're back from dinner and we're going to work on the white area first because that's what I just made cakes for. So we have the white area, then the eyes, and then I think that's the only thing that's white. Yeah, that's it, that's white. So we're gonna get started on that and see how it looks. So we've done, sorry guys, the camera died. So we did the red, We did all the white, the eyes, the top, and the body. We went through a lot of discussion in the store, me and Alicia, to find out what would be best for the face. And we went with peach from Loops and Threads. I'm not a huge Loops and Threads fan, I've learned so far, but I had to get something. So, hopefully, the peach will look okay. So we're gonna thread peach in and see how that goes. I do like having these hair extension tools, though, for threading the Claw Lab. I don't know if I can say the last word of Claw Lab on YouTube, so I'm just going to keep referring to this device as Claw Lab. So, but yeah, we'll see if this is, I mean, this is about as close as we could find to what might work, so. I hope this one comes out good. It'd be nice to do. I mean, I know I don't have a whole lot of attempts, but it'd be nice to do a rug and have it come out good. Like the first time. So I don't have to do it 3 times like I did the other rug. But I think this one's going to come out better. I truly think it is. So I didn't get a light brown. I don't know what I'm going to do for that. I got brown. Brown, but not light brown, so I don't know. And I like the peach, I think would be a good color for it. The bottom of that shoe, but at the same time, I don't want it to be the same color as the skin because that would kind of look weird, I think. So, all right. It's so much smoother though than the other rugs. I'm so happy with the way that it's come out on the backside. It'll be a lot easier to glue like this too.